Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today is a special product. This is multi-surface cleaner pine scent by Lidl. I looked at some commercials and that's how they said it on there, so that's how I'm going to say it.
Lidl invented daylight savings time. More daylight, more fruit. More fruit, more savings. Think about it. Lidl.
So look at the other side. That might show a little better. Yeah. And you might be wondering, where did I obtain such a product? On a recent trip to see JK18, he gifted this to me. We were at the Lidl store getting some stuff for the Dirty Jay Burglers, and of course I had to go check the cleaning supply section, and they did have pine cleaner, so I got a bottle. Let's go over to the cloud cam and see what this does. Alright, over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon. Can be a little more generous. Do we have any clouds forming? Doesn't look like it. That's not a deal breaker. I don't see that it says it has pine oil. Yeah, it's got pine oil in it. Yes, indeed it does. Look like there might be just a hint of some clouds, maybe some cirrus clouds or something like that, but don't think so. It smells good though. It smells real nice. So I'll grab the mop and we'll get started. Alright, now back at the floor cam, let's give this a mop and see what happens. As usual, I will go over the floor twice. And I'm getting some nice suds as I churn this water up with the mop head. Followed by a pleasant pine scent. It's traditional pine, but it's not really that strong. Smells good though. The real test is how well will it clean my floor. Looks to be doing a fine job so far. There's once. And here we go for the second round. And there's the second time. And another successful mopping is completed. Let's take a look at the after. This one's quite impressive. Look how dark that water got. Rake back some of the suds. Might be able to tell. That's a pretty good cleaner if it got that much dirt up. Once again, multi-surface cleaner, Pine Scent by Lidl. Thank you for watching.